Morning, class.
Good morning.
How y'all doing?
Oh, look at here.
That's unfortunate. But we gotta get on with the lesson.
You are not a hooper.
Okay, guys. Today's lesson will be about Chesapeake Bay and watershed. The Chesapeake Bay is the world's largest estuary. It contains wildlife and also bodies of water. Lorenzo, what's your question?
What's a watershed?
A watershed is an area of land where water drains into. The Chesapeake Bay itself is actually a watershed. Okay, go ahead. Now that everybody knows what a watershed is, does anybody know some of the rivers that flow into the Chesapeake Bay? Zane?
The York River.
Okay. Lorenzo?
The James River.
Correct. Robert?
David.
Rapid Hawk? Is that what you meant?
Yeah.
That's what you meant?
Yeah.
Okay, good. David?
Potomac.
Potomac.
Bro, David.
Okay, Benjamin?
Potomac.
I think you already said that. Caleb? Okay, how about you? You know anything?
Susquehanna.
Correct, that's all. Okay, as you guys know, Chesapeake Bay is the world's largest estuary. So, of course, it covers many states. Does anybody know the 6 states that cover it? Okay.
One of them is New York, right?
Okay. David.
Maryland.
Okay.
What? Look at this fight.
Virginia.
Okay. Robert.
Delaware. Ooh,
Correct.
West Virginia and Virginia.
Shit, West and Northern Virginia? Correct.
It's not a state, but it passes through DC.
Correct. Okay, I make sure to make this slide so you guys can see the 6 states. Maryland, Pennsylvania, Delaware, Virginia, West Virginia, and New York. So of course you guys know about the topic of pollution. But pollution gets into the bay. People doing everyday things like fertilizing their yard and driving causes pollution. Carbon dioxide comes from exhaust pipes from cars, polluting the air. And then the air pollutes the rain. And it gets all the way into the bay. Storm runoff flows into the bay because it's a watershed. So of course it's gonna end up in a bay. And all the stuff that's in the pollutants, in the pollution, goes into the bay and pollutes it. That is what we call pollution by humans. Questions? David?
What's wrong?
I just told you. Storm runoff is when it rains and everything like oil, fertilizer, any pollution that's left off flows into a body of water. And this happens to be the bay. Robert?
What's pollution by humans?
Pollution by humans is when humans do their daily activities and it causes pollution. Like driving causes carbon dioxide pollution. Okay. So the next topic we're gonna cover is the
Mr. A.
Lorenzo.
How can we stop pollution?
I'm gonna get into that later when I show you guys the commercial.
Alright.
Okay, back to your question.
We're humans, right?
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
No problem.
That was the one.
Okay, so here's how we jump to our next topic. Since us humans pollute the bay, it results in the wildlife dying, them losing habitats, and the water quality deteriorating, everything. So of course that affects the grade of the bay. That's why now in 2024 we have the grade of a D+. Okay, now we're gonna get into the video. The Chesapeake Bay. The state of the bay is at risk.
Littering. People throw trash on the floor all the time and it ends up in the bay.
Daily activities like driving causes air pollution from carbon dioxide.
Another thing that humans do is they use fertilizer on their yards, and runoff comes and takes the fertilizer to the Chesapeake Bay.
As humans, we should all play our part to fix the bay.
Humans can do community service and pick up trash around the world.
Humans can reduce car usage and instead walk to places that are close to you.
We can reduce water usage by taking shorter showers.
you waste that water. Like the bay is already polluted. You hooligans, you use fertilizer in your yards, which you carry by water into the ocean.
Please don't hurt me.
The Chesapeake Bay is a beautiful place. If we help clean up the Chesapeake Bay and fix it, we can have back one of the world's best sites.
Also, if the Chesapeake Bay is cleaned up, we could use that knowledge to clean up other bays, rivers, or oceans.
We can save the bay.
Together!
We got them!
Okay, since we're learning about the Chesapeake Bay, it's only normal that we talk about the pollution caused to the bay. Humans litter on the bay. They use cars, which causes gas pollution from the oil.
Air pollution.
Do you want to be special?
And they keep on yelling.
Since